Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Super Videos, and in this video I bring a fantastic trick for you which can help you to run your phone very faster. You must have seen so many times that people says their phone is not working fine, it gets hang or it gets slow down. So that is the time where you can be a hero for them, because I'm gonna tell you some tricks here which can help you to make their phone faster, smoother and smarter as well. After making these settings, their phone will never get hang, and it doesn't matter how old the phone is and how new the phone is. In this video I'm going to tell you some settings, and after that your phone will never get hang. So without wasting any time, let's get started here. But before we proceed with this, I would request you, please go ahead and subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so you will not lose any video from our channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you two tricks here. The first trick would be you have to go to the setting of the phone, and in settings you have to go to the more setting and then go to the about phone. And when we go to the about phone, and in about phone we have to turn on the developer option, and to turn on the developer option we have to press software version 7 times. When you press software version 7 times, it will automatically turn on the developer option. So I'm gonna go back, scroll it down, and then on the bottom I find developer option. I'm gonna click on this one and turn on the developer option. Here you can see this one, it's automatically now turn on the developer option. Now in this one we have to scroll it down. I need to find some options here. When we scroll it down, this one, you see this one, that's window animation scale, where we have to click on this one and we have to turn it off, and the second one again turn it off, and the third one we have to turn it off. We have to turn it off this one so that we can make our phone very faster. If you see this one, my phone also running little faster the moment I did that. So I can turn off the developer option, I can come back when I did that. This is the first trick which we have to do to make our phone faster. The second trick which I'll suggest to you, that you have to go to the Google Play Store, and in Google Play Store you have to go to the settings, and in settings there is an option you will be finding auto update apps. You have to click on this one. Most of the time you will find that in their phone the auto update application should be turned on. All the application automatically get updated, that takes so much of data and it runs in the background and slow down the processor and the phone as well. So it doesn't require to update all the application, it requires only to update on those applications which are very useful. So we can do it manually as well. So in this column you have to click on do not auto update apps. Check this one and then click on done, and you can come back. And after that you have to turn off the phone and turn it back on. The moment you do that, after that you will find that this phone is running a little faster and it will be smoother as well, and it won't get hang when they will be using this phone. So these are the tricks, and this is the suggestion from me. You can make their phone or your phone more faster and safe. If you still find any questions about this, you can simply comment below and we will get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.